Okay, we are so excited to pull back the curtain for you on a brand new ebook that honestly tackles one of the biggest stresses in life today. If you've ever felt trapped by your money, this little preview is for you. We're going to give you an inside look at the roadmap to get off that treadmill for good.
Does that hit home? I mean, that feeling of running as fast as you can, but just staying in the same place? The author of this ebook absolutely nails this feeling right in the first few pages. But more importantly, they lay out the exact plan to escape.
And listen, if you felt that quote in your bones, you are not alone. A staggering 64% of people are caught in this exact same cycle. This isn't just some random number. It's a huge problem. But the good news? This ebook was written to be the solution.
And here it is. Here's the game plan we're giving you a sneak peek at today. First, we're going to dissect that trap so you can really see it for what it is. Then comes the aha moment, that mindset shift that changes absolutely everything. From there, we'll show you the powerful spending plan framework inside, the offense and defense for your wealth, and finally, how it all just locks together into your personal path to freedom.
So what is this trap, really? Well, here's the first huge insight from the ebook that just blows up what everyone thinks they know. It is not about how much money you make. The author points out that nearly half of all people earning six figures are still stuck. The secret isn't earning more, it's about having a smarter system.
And that leads us to what is, and I'm not exaggerating, probably the most powerful section in the entire book. The core idea is so simple, but so profound. Before your bank account can change, your mindset has to change. Everything, and I mean everything, is built on this one foundation. This is exactly where this ebook goes so much deeper than any blog post you're going to find. It actually walks you through how to identify your money story. You know, that subconscious programming you picked up as a kid that is secretly running your entire financial life right now. Uncovering this is the key that unlocks everything else. And the book includes this incredible side-by-side comparison that just makes it all click, right? Imagine two people get a $5,000 bonus. One person sees it as a rare chance to go spend. The other sees a tool, a seed to plant and multiply. Same money, totally different mindset. And the book shows how this one tiny difference leads to wildly different futures.
Okay, so once that new mindset is locked in place, the ebook gives you the actual tools to put it to work. And this is where you flip the script from feeling restricted to living with powerful intention.
Here is a super simple trick from the book that changes the entire game. Just forget the word budget. I mean, it just feels like a punishment, right? The author teaches you to build a spending plan instead. It's a total reframe. You're not cutting back. You are taking command of where your money goes.
And inside the ebook, you get this exact visual blueprint. This is one of my favorite things about it. This isn't just theory, it's a plug-and-play strategy. You've got 50% for essentials, 20% for your future goals, 20% for those flexible needs, and a totally guilt-free 10% just for you. It just takes all the guesswork out of the equation.
All right, mindset is locked in, the plan is in place. Now, the book shows you how to go on the attack. Building real wealth isn't passive. You need a powerful offense and an absolutely unbreakable defense. And the core strategy here is just brilliant. Your offense is investing, actively making your money grow for you. Your defense, systematically hunting down and eliminating the high-interest debt that's been quietly killing your progress for years. The book shows you how to master both so you can actually win this game.
So let's talk offense. This is where the ebook literally saves you hundreds of hours of confused Googling. It cuts right through all the noise and shows you how to use simple, powerful tools like index funds and ETFs to put your money to work immediately without needing a PhD in finance.
And if you've been a little hesitant to start investing, the author shares this one single sentence that will completely change how you see it. It is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And the book shows you exactly how to leverage this for massive long-term growth.
Now, for the defense. The book lays out the 2 heavyweight strategies for crushing debt, and then helps you choose the right one for your personality. Are you going to get more motivation from the psychological wins of the snowball method, or the pure mathematical efficiency of the avalanche? You'll know exactly which one to pick after you read this chapter.
So you've got the mindset, you've got the plan, the offense, the defense. This is the grand finale. This is where the author ties it all together into one elegant, automated system for building real, lasting freedom.
And this right here, this is the final master plan you'll be able to build for yourself.
It's a strategic system that directs your money with purpose. Your income flows into these dedicated buckets for your short, medium, and long-term goals. Nothing is left to chance, everything is intentional.
It all comes down to these 5 pillars of freedom. This is the core system of the entire ebook. And here's the magic. They create a flywheel effect. A better mindset leads to better budgeting, which unlocks cash for investing, which accelerates your wealth, and it creates this powerful upward spiral. This is the system that breaks that cycle for good.
So we've just shown you the blueprint. The question on this slide is the right one, and the first best choice you can make is to get the full system. Because staying stuck in that paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is costing you way more than this ebook ever will. Stop trying to piece it all together from free advice online. Get the complete step-by-step roadmap right now at $5ebookhub.com. $5ebookhub.com. Fuel your mind for less than the cost of a morning coffee.